How do you like it? Welcome to part 4 of reviewing this OQ hair wig from TikTok Shop. Do you love the style? Do you love the color? Have you watched the previous parts to see how we got to this? If you haven't, go over there and watch those parts as well. But in the meantime, in between time, stay here. You can see how I installed this and got this beautiful, lovely style. So stay right there. But in the meantime, make sure you subscribe. Here she is. Let me tint the lace and then blow dry it. I'm gonna cut more of this lace in the front because I don't like a lot of extra lace here. Now my style messed up a little bit. My wand curls definitely fell, which is unfortunate, but I can just throw some more in. It should be quick and easy because it's already styled and ready to go. It is a glueless wig, so it should be just like a flap flap. With very little manipulation, this looks like my hair. It looks like it's growing out of my scalp. And for me to say this is such a major compliment to this hair company. I am thoroughly impressed. Besides the style, besides the color, I tinted it and then I've just applied it with my adhesive. And this is what she's giving. I'm gonna need to talk to somebody. I'm gonna need to talk to somebody who working. Cause this is amazing. And this is not sponsored. I'm just taking a second to just glow and say, wow. I'm impressed. It takes a lot to impress me, but I'm impressed. I haven't even put my melt band on yet. Is the lace in the room with us? My hair did fall in the front. I'm trying to debate if I want to just change it up. Do I want to do like a side part situation? Like this? I feel like I do. Let me go in, let me recurl some of these front pieces, and then I think I'm going to do a side part situation.
Are Levitical priests. When David was reigning it, heard you're at up your head, O ye gates, and woke him up. And Peter thought he was dreaming. Because sometimes even when you says God, this God thing you think because everybody remember Lot's wife. The Bible says when he got him up, he said, put on your clothes.
This is the finished product. And I hope you love it. My honest rating is I would rate it a 9 out of 10. I'll say 9 only because during the coloring process, I wanted to try level color, which didn't really work out. I did go back in and I tried to recolor, but I didn't want to take the integrity out of my hair. So as you can see, it is a tad bit lighter in the front. It gives like a highlight effect, but it wasn't what I wanted. And I felt like during the process that the hair wouldn't lift the way I wanted it to. So I just stopped. I didn't want to color it anymore. However, the color did come out good and it did not take the integrity out the hair. Even after curling it, it's not crunchy. It's not hard. And I will say that overall, I love it. I didn't really want the bronzy orangey look. I really, really wanted a blondish in the front. But maybe in the future, I'll try coloring another OQ wig with a different type of color method and see if it lifts that way. I really do appreciate the fact that out of the box, it was a very, very good wig. I really had no real complaints. Yes, I did have to tint my lace for my skin because it was a little light skin, but it was plucked very nicely. It has a very nice natural hairline. It's easy to apply. So it has the clips in there and you can just throw it on. It can easily be worn glueless. You don't have to use any type of adhesive for it. And the hair is very, very soft. And it already came pretty layered. So as you can see, you kind of get a layered effect. It came like that already. So I didn't have to do any cutting or any notching into it. And I can appreciate that. It took color well. And then it also styled well. It curled very, very well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you really take heed to this review and continue to watch for the next 3 days as I do a 3-day wear test and review. And I will give you, at the end of that, I will give you my thoughts as far as how well it lasts and if it really can hold a curl. So thank you again for watching. And until next time I see you. Bye.